Hey, crypto fam, buckle up, because Binance just dropped some huge news that you don't want to miss. And today we're diving into the latest hodler airdrop featuring Turtle. That's right. Turtle, the brand new liquidity distribution protocol making waves in the crypto world. If you're holding BNB and Binance's simple earn or on-chain yields, you might already be eligible for some free Turtle tokens. Let's break it all down and get you in on the action. Oh, and stick around to the end for a pro tip to stay safe while exploring this token. Let's go. All right, here's the deal. Binance just announced Turtle, or Turtle, as the 55th project on their hodler airdrops page. This is a big one, folks. If you subscribed your BNB to Simple Earn, either flexible or locked, or on-chain yields between October 14th and October 16th, 2025, you're in line to score some Turtle tokens. How cool is that? The airdrop distribution info will drop within 24 hours, and those shiny new tokens will hit your Binance Spot account at least an hour before trading kicks off. Mark your calendars, because trading starts on October 22nd at 3 p.m. UTC, with pairs like Turtle against USDT, USDC, BNB, FDUSD, and TRI. That's a lot of options to jump in. Now let's talk numbers, because I know you love the details. Turtle has a total token supply of 1 billion. That's 1 billion Turtle tokens at Genesis, with no plans to increase that max supply. For this hodler airdrop, Binance is giving away 10 million Turtle tokens. That's 1% of the max supply. Plus, there's another 10 million set aside for future marketing campaigns in about 3 months. So stay tuned for more opportunities. When Turtle lists on Binance, the circulating supply will be around 154.7 million tokens, which is roughly 15.47% of the total. Oh, and heads up, the seed tag will be applied to Turtle, so keep that in mind when trading. Ready to get your hands on Turtle? You can start depositing it on Binance as early as October 21st at 10 a.m. UTC. And here's a bonus. Turtle will also be available on Binance Alpha for trading, though the exact time for that is still under wraps. Just note that once spot trading begins, Turtle won't be showcased on Binance Alpha anymore, so the main action will be on the regular Binance platform. This is your chance to get in early on a promising new project. Now, before you go all in, a quick word of caution, and this is super important. Always do your own research before trading Turtle or any token outside of Binance. Scams are out there, and we want to keep your funds safe. Stick to trusted platforms like Binance. Double-check any links or projects claiming to be Turtle, and protect your wallet like it's your prized possession. Safety first always. So what's the vibe with Turtle? It's a liquidity distribution protocol, which means it's all about making DeFi smoother and more accessible. Projects like this are shaking up the crypto space, and with Binance backing it, you know it's got some serious potential. Whether you're a hodler or a trader, this airdrop is a golden opportunity to add Turtle to your portfolio. So check your Binance account, see if you're eligible, and get ready for trading to go live on October 22nd. That's the scoop on Turtle and the Binance hodler airdrop. Are you excited to grab some Turtle tokens? Drop a comment below, and let me know if you're hodling BNB or planning to trade Turtle when it lists. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a crypto update. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.